Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. uJosh Klopp wakhetha ukujoyina i-MK Party kunokuthi ajoyine i-EFF. Uyachaza ukuthi kungani wakwenza lokho. Wena-ke ungakaze ujoyine kuleli khasi, siyacela ukube ucofe ibhathini ujoyine kuleli khasi ukuze ukhulise le channel khona uzohlezi uy'thola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Nawu-ke uJaji echaza ngokwakhe.
I am the leader of the MK party in parliament. The president is still President Zuma, who is unfortunately not able to be here today. First and foremost, I'm grateful on behalf of the entire leadership of the MK party. I am grateful to President Zuma, whose idea it was that the MK party must be started in the first place. The MK party was founded because the ANC, in our shared view, is a collective view which we share as the MK party, has completely gone astray. This is not the ANC that we used to know, particularly over the past 5 years under the leadership of Cyril Ramaphosa. This is no longer the ANC which fights for poor people, which fights for landless people. It is a different ANC altogether. And I'm grateful to the leadership of the MK for showing confidence in me, for getting me to lead the party. Of course, I'm new here. There are colleagues within the party who were ministers before. Some of them have been around for a while. It is my hope that they will continue to be a source of inspiration to me.
Kungani-ke manje engayijoyinanga i-EFF? Uyachaza uJohn Klopp.
We are not far apart from each other. When I say we, the MK party and the EFF, we're not far apart. Both parties are Africanists, right? We are Pan-Africanists in the true sense of the word. Now, if you ask me, why did the EFF, I was very, very close to the EFF. To be frank, I was almost tempted to join the EFF. You will recall that when I was dismissed summarily from the office, there's only one politician in the world who came to visit me at my home in Paarl, and that was Comrade Julius Malema. He extended his friendship, and I could see sincerity in him, right? I was almost tempted to join the EFF, but I decided to join the MK party, not for a leadership position, but I felt there were other issues in the MK party that were closer to me. For example, the MK party clearly has respect for the kingdom and the monarch in KZN. And I come from that province. I believe in that province. I believe in the monarch, and I believe in the role that the Zulu kingdom played. So there are differences here and there between us and the EFF, right? But then I chose the MK for the reasons that I have given. Well, as it turns out to be, it wasn't a bad choice at all.